CYBERSOUTH is a newly developed township located in the Golden Triangle of the Southern Klang Valley. It forms a new center of gravity, anchor point to KLIA, CYBERJaya and Putrajaya. CYBERSOUTH is easily accessible via three major highways: Elite, MEX and Putrajaya CYBERJaya Expressway. My name is Julian Uy and welcome to MCT CYBERSOUTH Sales Gallery. This is Casa Bayu Show Unit. It is the newly launched township project in CYBERSOUTH by MCT. This townhouse comes with three types of design: 22 by 70, 22 by 75 and 24 by 80. The build-out ranges from 1,002 to 1,008 square feet. Each of the unit comes with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The starting net price is from 484,000. Here are some of the unique selling points of Casa Bayu Townhouse. It is guarded and gated. It has a low density with only 180 units. It also comes with hybrid cars charging station. There is a 25-acre of central park, and last but not least, there is a clubhouse with gym, badminton courts and a swimming pool. Thank you for watching this video. Welcome to the MCT Sales Gallery at CYBERSOUTH.